YouTubers, what's up? Welcome to Thai Auto News. Today I'm at the Sing Park in Chiang Rai province to test drive the minor change Mitsubishi Xpander. But before we check out the video today, don't forget to press like, share and slap that bell icon to be notified of our latest reviews. Thanks! Okay, so being a minor change model, the Xpander Cross still comes with the same engine, which is a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder normally aspirated petrol engine capable of producing 105 horsepower and 141 Nm of torque. Well, although the engine is old, this one gets a new transmission. Previously, the Xpander came with a 4-speed automatic transmission, but now it's been upgraded to a CVT, continuously variable transmission, which should offer better response as well as fuel economy. And according to Mitsubishi, the suspension setting of the minor change Xpander Cross has also been recalibrated to offer better ride quality as well as some off-roading capability as well. But what others don't have that the Xpander Cross have is the Active Yaw Control, which is a system that has been made famous many years ago by the Lancer Evos that were racing in the World Rallying Championship. So apart from traction control, which limits engine torque to maintain traction, this one AYC works with both engine torque as well as braking on front and rear wheels to keep the vehicle in line while cornering on slippery surfaces. For example, on wet roads or on dirt roads, it really holds on to the line very well thanks to braking effects from outside and inside wheels. So that's a special character of the Xpander Cross. I like the ride quality, especially at low speeds in the Xpander Cross. I mean, the suspension soaks up shocks and vibrations pretty well for a vehicle in this class, priced below 1 million baht. I'm happy with the ride quality of this car. And one thing that the Xpander Cross seems to be missing is the intelligent safety package, which is offered by other manufacturers in this market. For example, if you look at the Honda BRV or the Toyota Veloz, yeah, these two comes with a decent intelligent safety package, but Xpander Cross, no. Well, I guess Mitsubishi is still reluctant to offer those systems because of surely the price will be going up, and the Xpander is not a cheap mini MPV. Actually, it's one of the most expensive mini MPVs in the market. Okay, for the design, front end still very futuristic with the advanced shield design from Mitsubishi. Looks like came out from Star Trek or Star Wars movie or a Gundam movie. Well, it still looks quite complicated, but in a good way. So in front we get all the lighting is LED now, whether it's the headlights, daytime running lights or fog lights. So nice upgrade over here. Coming to the side, of course, all mini MPVs in the Cross division comes with this kind of wheel arch moldings. So as to protect the paintwork when you're driving on dirt road or gravel roads. So 17-inch wheels with what's this? Bridgestone Ecopia tires. What's the size? 205, 55 R17. So pretty sporty tires as well. The top part of the vehicle, glossy black. Roof also glossy black, as well as the roof rails. For the top part, glossy black. This chrome trim, yeah, adds a nice dimension to the side profile. Doesn't look too cheesy. It looks kind of yeah, well designed. Rear lights, also LED. You get a shark fin antenna and some garnishing off-road style at the back. Looks pretty neat. Okay, so apart from the exterior design changes, the inside has also been improved. First thing, get inside is this new steering wheel, which replaces the old 3-spoke steering wheel. That one looks more sporty, but this one is more luxurious. It's been taken from the Pajero Sport pickup passenger vehicle, so more of a upmarket steering wheel design with multifunction capability. And once you start the engine, you will notice the new 8-inch digital display, which is really nice. The design, the layout, and you can also check out the graphics for the AYC system located on the lower left, but you can also enlarge it as well. So pretty good display in the Xpander Cross. I like it a lot. Meanwhile, 9-inch touchscreen works pretty well, but the graphics are just so, I think, in my point of view, but the resolution is fine. And of course you have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in this one, so pretty convenient. One thing that hasn't been upgraded is the controls for the aircon. It looks digital, but actually it's still manual. It's not automatic air conditioning. Okay, coming down here, it's very nice. You got lots of storage spaces. There's a 2-story storage over here, and these are USB inputs, 12-volt outlet, electronic parking brake, and transmission. As mentioned, it's now CVT, and you've got a small sport button on the gear shift knob as well. Moving right down, 2 cup holders, and yeah, a decent sized storage area. And then you got more storage over here. This one I like a lot too. You can keep your wallet, telephone, stuff like that very conveniently over here. So this is a nice feature as well. The seats are nice too. They come with leather upholstery with heat guard, so it doesn't get too hot when you park it under direct sunlight. And in terms of space in front, it's quite good too. I've got lots of headroom left. Although the height adjustment for the seats is it's the dial type, and it's not very convenient to use. So I mean, a lever type would be better actually. So it's kind of difficult to adjust the seat height in the Xpander Cross driver's seat. Okay, let's check out the back seats. So the front seats has been adjusted for my height. Now at the back, I still got about this much left leg room, which is Okay, very nice. And headroom, oh, a lot. It's like lots of headroom in this one. Usually mini MPVs got a lot of space inside, and this is one of the buying points for this kind of a vehicle. And yeah, this one is, the quality of the seats, the feel is very nice. Although I think the headrest is a little hard and a little small, I think, for my liking. But a good thing, yep, center armrest, and it looks very, very good, big, and although if you put drinks over here, it's gonna be obstructed. And the European cars will have like a special cup holder that pops out from here, but this is good enough for a cheaper Japanese MPV. Okay, so this is the rear aircon control. The rotary switch looks good. Looks like Pajero Sport stuff over here. Okay, so let's see, how do we get this up? Third row, still for very small adults or children. I won't fit in there. My leg is gonna get stuck for sure. So check out the luggage compartment. Okay. Okay, so this small kind of a toolbox. So, yep, it's pretty flat. I can imagine putting a mattress and making out and stuff like that with your girlfriend or wife or minor wife, I don't know. Okay, so before signing out today, let's do a small wrap up of the minor change Mitsubishi Xpander Cross. Well, sorry for the birds. Well, for 7,000 baht extra, this is a very good deal actually, although the retail pricing of the new Xpander Cross is kind of let me just say, one of the highest in the market. Anyway, considering that there's a big amount of improvements in the Xpander Cross, but you have to pay just 7,000 baht extra, I think that's a pretty good deal from Mitsubishi in order to keep on the successful sales figures for the Xpander Cross. Actually, Mitsubishi is the biggest player in this market. So for those who are interested in kind of a premium Japanese small MPV, maybe the Xpander Cross might be a good choice for you. So check it out. Okay, so before saying goodbye, do us a favor by subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon so you'll know when we have a new car review. Okay, so that's all from me today. Adios.